Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Maxine. Today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I organize my natural hair stash. So all my natural hair products and whatnot, I'm going to show you guys how I organize it. But before we jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, we're just going to jump right into the video right now. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take everything off of the shelves because I want to reorganize everything. So what you guys are about to see me do is just take everything off the shelves so I can organize everything the way I want to organize them. Okay, now that the shelf is completely clean, what I'm going to do is organize everything shelf by shelf. So I was thinking that the first shelf, what I want to do is put my shampoos and my conditioners as well as my deep conditioners and mask. So that's what I'm going to do on the first shelf. Oh yeah, and I'd also like to add that I'm going to be using like these wet tissues to clean off the products because some of them are a little dusty. So if you see me using these, it's because I'm cleaning off the products. So yeah. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is put all of my leave-in conditioners as well as my detanglers and oils on this shelf right here. So I'm going to start by sectioning off all my leave-ins, my detanglers, and my oils. I love this product, but I'm almost done with it. It's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk with soap protein and neem oil. This stuff literally just glides onto my strands, but I'm almost done with it. I don't know if I should just throw it out or use it because I feel like I could get like maybe one more use out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this though. I'm gonna put this here. I think I'm gonna throw this Cutie Care for Kids curling cream because I don't use this, number one, and Cutie has alcohol in their products and it's very drying and it doesn't really do anything for my hair. It literally just sits on top of my hair. So I think I'm gonna throw it out. Yeah, I'm gonna start making a pile of things that I'm going to throw out, so I'm definitely gonna throw this out because I don't use it, and I don't know, I don't think anyone should use this, so this is definitely gonna go in the pile to throw out. Ouch. I really wanted to like this ORS Shea-licious Moisture Mist Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It says with shea butter and honey, but when I bought it, the spray part, it just would not work and nothing comes out. Like, as you guys can see, I'm trying to spray it and literally nothing is coming out. And I think it's just a hassle to like have to pour it into my hands like this. It smells pretty good though, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna throw this out, yeah, because it's broken. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna throw this out. Bye. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. Okay, and this oil right here is one of my favorite oil concoctions. So what's in this is grapeseed oil. So it's mostly grapeseed oil, rose oil, and tea tree oil in this little bottle. And I feel like a little bit of this goes a long way. It just makes my scalp and my hair feel so good. And I definitely think I'm going to try and use this when I do a pre-poo because I feel like it's going to be very beneficial for my hair. And yeah, so I made this a couple of days ago and I have literally been obsessed with this. I like to use this on my hair as well as on my body. It makes me feel so like minty. No, not feel. It makes me smell very minty and like, I don't know, like I smell fresh, like I smell clean, and I love how this makes me feel. So this is just, you guys should definitely try this, especially if you have low porosity hair, because these oils are all light oils, so it doesn't weigh our kinks and curls down and it doesn't cause any product buildup. Okay, so I just finished the second shelf, as you guys can see. So like I said, I put leave-in conditioners, detanglers and oils on that shelf. And next I'm going to move on to this shelf right here. So I was thinking for that shelf, what I'm going to do is put my hair gels as well as my edge controls or any type of things that I use to tame my edges. So yeah, that shelf is definitely going to be, oh, and I'm also going to put hair puddings. So it's going to be hair puddings, gels, and edge controls. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. So this is something that I've been using a lot, not as of lately, but I've used this a couple of times and it's okay. It's almost done. I think I can get, no, I don't even think I could get one use out of this, to be honest, because there's not that much left in here. So I think I'm going to throw this out. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this because I feel like there's other things that I can use, because I've been using this for like my wash and goes, and I found something that I really like a new holy grail. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing this, but this hasn't been bad. So yeah, you know, it's gonna go in my garbage pile or whatever. So speaking of holy grails, you guys know that my new favorite holy grail is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid Out Glaze. That every time I say that I have to like take a breath because it's such a mouthful. But basically, like, this is my new staple. This is the holy grail, and it's gonna be replacing the previous thing that you guys saw. So yeah, I love this baby. Definitely gonna put this on the shelf. I don't know how I feel about this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Hydrating Curl Cream. I've used this before to do a wash and go, and I've also used it for twist outs, and I feel like, I don't know, like, it didn't really do anything for my hair. Maybe like I need to either use like less or more. I don't know, like I don't know. I think I want to keep it because there's a ton of product left in here. Like, I barely used it. I think I used this twice. Yeah, I used this twice. I used it once to do a wash and go and then another time to do a twist out, and I haven't touched it since. So should I use it again? Should I film a video using it again, like revisiting products? Like, should I revisit this, or should I just like throw this out? Because I just feel like it doesn't really do nothing for me. Like, it's a very thick cream. This is more like a whipped butter to me, to be honest, because it's very thick. So maybe I'll use this to do a wash and go again and see. Maybe I could do like a one product wash and go using this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a one product wash and go using just this, just to see what it does for my hair. So I'm keeping this, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. For me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy sea. Okay, so this next product that I want to talk about real quick is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Reshaping Shine Butter with Flaxseed Oil. This stuff literally defines my hair whenever I do a twist out. So I would twist my hair, and then at the ends of my hair I would add this, and it would give me the perfect little coil at the end of my hair, because I like to coil my hair at the ends when I do a twist out or braid out, because good definition and whatnot. And literally, guys, this makes my hair, like, this either makes or breaks my hair, meaning that like if I use this, it makes my hair look good, and if I don't use it, it doesn't look good at all. So I love using this. I haven't used this to like do a full twist out, like use it as like a product for a twist out, because I think you're just supposed to use this for like the ends of your hair. But I love this. It's a staple. When I run out of this, I'm definitely gonna buy some more, because duh, like, it works so well in my hair. Why am I waking up out of my sleep? So that is it for the third shelf, and now I'm finally going to move on to the last shelf, which is the fourth shelf right here. And what I'm thinking about putting there is all of my hairstyling tools and whatnot. So I mean, like detangling brushes, combs, hair ties, and all that, the whole big shebang or whatever. I think I'm gonna put them inside a container. So I'm gonna put them in this container right here. It's a clear container. I don't even know where I got this from. I think I got it from like Kmart or something. I'm just gonna put everything here and then just rest it in there like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gotta clean off my Cutie because this is a staple. I haven't used this in a while because I actually have another detangling, I also have another deep conditioning thing that I like to use because it's like easier to use and I could do more stuff with it. It's the Layla Ali hot head thing, the Layla Ali deep conditioning dryer or capper. I don't know what it's called, to be honest, but I like using that more because I'm able to like watch something while I'm deep conditioning my hair. But I definitely like this for like when I have time to like actually sit down and deep condition my hair. This is something that I like to use. So this is gonna go here. And then I have a whole bunch of detangling brushes. I'm gonna throw this one out actually because I don't use this. I don't like this and it doesn't do anything for my hair. I just feel like it literally does nothing for my hair, so I'm gonna throw this out. This is a staple. I like using this to detangle my hair as well as itch my scalp when I'm shampooing my hair, so keeping this. There's some hair in it, so I'm sorry guys. I should have cleaned it off, but you know, this is real. This is real. Another detangling brush that I have is this one. It's by Diane. It's called the Diane hashtag or #D8. Wait, I definitely read that wrong. Wow, that is definitely not an 8. That is definitely a B. So it's the Diane hashtag or #DBB022 style brush, and I like this because I could detangle my hair in big sections. So I typically use this when I want to detangle my hair like the lazy way. I take this, you know, detangle in big sections. I would not recommend doing that, but you know, I'm lazy, so yeah. This is so funny because I have a puff cuff and then I have a puff cuff dupe. I use these both interchangeably. I guess it depends on like the type of puff that I'm looking for. This one gives me like a more rounded puff and this one kind of gives me like a more oval puff. Like I know it's circular, but for some reason like when I use it to do my puffs look like kind of oval-ish. Like this is like how it be looking on my head. I don't know, it's weird. But I like to use these depending on what type of puff I'm looking for. So yeah, these are definitely going to be kept and put into this bin. And the other day when I was at the beauty supply store, I saw these silky satin rollers. They were $1.99 a pack. And I was like, I should definitely try and use this to do a roller set because I've heard good and bad things about this. And you know, everyone's hair is different. So I think what I want to do is film a tutorial using this, because I feel like this would be like something interesting to use. So I'm definitely going to be using that. I also have this little package thing that my stuff that I got from Jane Carter at Curlfest came in. So I think what I'm going to do is put the satin rollers in this and then put them in the bin so that it's more organized instead of just throwing them in there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Put them in here. I literally hope that these all fit inside because I have 2 more packs to go and it's kind of pretty full. Wow, perfect fit, looks good. And yeah, I'll definitely be able to save more room using this and I can put this in my bin. You know, it's good to keep old packaging and stuff like that because you never know what you can use it for. And this is a prime example. Like, do you see this? Like, do you see this? Do you see this? Okay, put that there. So I have these 4 little like pencil organized things that I got from the dollar store, and what I'm going to do is actually take like my clips, because I have hair clips. So I'm going to take like my clips and put them in like one, and then I'm going to take bobby pins and put them in another so that it can kind of like organize everything, because like everything looks a hot mess. So yeah, I'm just going to put these in here. So this is where my hair clips are, like my hair clamps for when I section my hair off. Then what I'm going to do is take my bobby pins. So I have this pack of bobby pins right here, and then I also have this case of bobby pins. And what I'm going to do is just pour everything in here so that all my bobby pins are like together. I'm also going to take these combs and detanglers and put them inside another one of these. So I'm just going to put these in here so it looks better. And then I did this off camera. This is a Jerry Springer cup. Don't judge me, guys. I went to Jerry Springer. I had a great time. But I put my hair scrunchies inside here. So there's a bunch of different type of scrunchies in here. I have this like long scrunchie, and then I have like smaller, thicker scrunchies, and then I have like, I don't even know what this is called. I forgot what it's called, but I got this at Harmon's. It's like a hair scrunchie, but like, I don't know, you just like pull it and whatnot. I put that in here too. So yeah, these are my hair scrunchies in there. This is funny because a little satin roller did not make it inside the case, so I'm gonna have to take the case out again and put them inside. So I'm just putting them in there right now, zipping them up. And yeah, right now I'm just adding some last minute touches to each shelf. So if I miss something on each shelf, what I'm going to do is just trying to organize them and plop them where I want them to go. One thing that I don't know where I want to put is this Style and Shine mousse. I think I'm going to put this with the leave-in conditioner because there's space and I don't have any other mousses, so I think that's where this is going to go. And I'm throwing this buttercream out. I forgot to mention that I hate this buttercream. It does absolutely nothing for my hair. If anything, it makes my hair very frizzy, which I hate, so this is definitely going in the garbage. I'm gonna be done organizing, okay? It literally only took me like an hour to organize, guys, which is pretty good because I have a lot of hair products. I'm pretty sure there's probably hair products somewhere else that I can't find. They're probably like just laying somewhere. I don't know. I literally have hair products like all over the place. It was killing me because I didn't organize my hair products. Like I did it in the beginning of the summer and I didn't like how I did it because I did it by brand and it was like really stressing me out. So I like the fact that I just did them by like shampoo, conditioner, leave-in and whatnot. I think it's better this way and it helps me mentally, okay? Okay. So that is it for this video today. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite part of this video, and let me know what you would like to see me style my hair with. Since you guys saw most of my products and the stuff that I have on my product shelf, just let me know what you guys want to see me do a wash day routine with, or wash and go, twist out, braid out, or even like a finger coil out. Just let me know in the comments what you want me to use and I'll make it happen. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, much love to you all. Bye.